What if everything we think we know about electric car range is wrong? What if the future of long-distance electric driving isn't about massive batteries or extreme compromises, but about intelligence, efficiency, and smart design? This is exactly the question Renault decided to answer with one of the most ambitious electric vehicle experiments ever created, the Renault Filante Record 2025. At first glance, the Filante doesn't look like any car you've seen on the road. It looks more like a vehicle from the future, shaped by the wind itself. But this radical design wasn't made to impress. It was made to prove a point. Renault wanted to find out how far an electric car could truly go if every single element was optimized for efficiency and nothing else. And the result was nothing short of historic. The Renault Filante Record 2025 successfully traveled 1,008 kilometers on a single charge. That's over 626 miles driven continuously without recharging at real highway speeds. This wasn't some slow eco run or a laboratory test. The car maintained an average speed of 102 kilometers per hour, completing the entire journey in under 10 hours. Even more impressive, when the run ended, the battery still had about 11% charge remaining, meaning the car could have gone even farther. What makes this achievement truly special is not just the distance, but how Renault achieved it. Many would assume that such a range requires a massive battery pack, but the Filante Record uses an 87 kilowatt-hour battery. That's the same size found in the Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric, a regular production family car. There was no revolutionary battery chemistry or secret energy source involved. Instead, Renault focused on something far more powerful: efficiency. During the record attempt, the Filante consumed only 7.8 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. To put that in perspective, most modern electric vehicles consume between 15 and 20 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers under real-world conditions. The Filante used less than half that amount, proving that range can be dramatically increased without increasing battery size, simply by wasting less energy. So what's the secret sauce? One of the biggest reasons behind this incredible efficiency is weight. Electric vehicles are often heavy, mainly because of their batteries and structural reinforcements. Renault engineers approached the Filante with a completely different mindset. The car weighs around 1,000 kilograms, which is remarkably light for an electric vehicle. Every unnecessary component was removed. There is only one seat, no infotainment system, no luxury materials, and no comfort features. Everything that didn't directly contribute to efficiency was eliminated. Less weight means less energy is required to move the car, accelerate it, and keep it at speed. But weight alone is not enough to achieve a 1,000-kilometer range. At highway speeds, aerodynamic drag becomes the biggest enemy of efficiency, and this is where the Filante truly shines. The car's body is long, narrow, and incredibly smooth, designed to let air flow around it with minimal resistance. Every curve, every surface, and every transition was shaped to reduce turbulence and drag. The result is an exceptionally low drag coefficient, allowing the car to maintain speed using far less energy than a conventional electric vehicle. Instead of fighting the air, the Filante glides through it. Beyond its shape, the Filante also showcases advanced engineering solutions that further reduce energy loss. The car uses steer-by-wire and brake-by-wire systems, which replace traditional mechanical connections with electronic controls. This not only reduces weight but also improves efficiency by minimizing friction and mechanical resistance. Even the tires were specially developed to have ultra-low rolling resistance, ensuring that as little energy as possible is lost where the car meets the road. The record attempt itself was designed to be as realistic as possible. Renault conducted the test at the UTAC high-speed proving ground in Morocco, a controlled environment that allows for long, consistent driving at highway speeds. The run included driver changes and technical checks, ensuring that the test reflected real endurance driving rather than a short, idealized experiment. This wasn't about setting a record on paper. It was about proving that extreme efficiency is achievable in real conditions. Now, it's important to understand that the Renault Filante Record 2025 is not a production car, and Renault has been very clear about that. You won't see this vehicle in dealerships, and it was never intended for everyday use. Instead, it serves as a rolling laboratory, a way for engineers to explore what's possible when efficiency becomes the top priority. The real value of the Filante lies in the knowledge gained from the project, knowledge that will influence future production electric vehicles. Renault plans to apply many of the lessons learned from the Filante to upcoming models, including improved aerodynamics, lighter structures, and more efficient energy management. While future production cars won't look like this radical prototype, The principles behind it can significantly improve real-world range, reduce energy consumption, and lower costs. This experiment shows that electric vehicles don't need to rely solely on bigger batteries to go farther. They need to be smarter. The significance of this record goes far beyond Renault. It sends a clear message to the entire automotive industry that the future of electric mobility lies in efficiency, not excess. Bigger batteries mean more weight, higher costs, longer charging times, and a greater environmental impact. By contrast, efficient design offers a more sustainable path forward, one where electric cars can travel long distances while using fewer resources. In the end, the Renault Filante Record 2025 is more than just a record-breaking vehicle. It's a statement. It challenges the assumption that long range must come at the cost of practicality or sustainability. It shows us a future where electric cars are lighter, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. So the real question isn't whether electric cars can travel 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. The Filante has already answered that. The real question is how soon these ideas will make their way into the cars we drive every day. If this is what experimental electric vehicles can achieve today, the future of electric mobility may be closer and more exciting than we ever imagined. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this approach to EV range? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of automotive tech. See you next time.